But today's victory is based on the insurance company admitting to a loss,
Mhm.
covering the loss, then wanting to change the interior of the property, which was not as it was before. Is that indemnification? Chris, you're here. Give us some explanation of what happened and how we got involved and made it right.
Yeah, exactly. And welcome everyone. Love being on these. Love the Wednesdays. Win your claim Wednesdays.
Yeah.
Be nice to do these every single day. Win your claim Monday. Win your claim Tuesday. But anyways, favorite part of the day. Win your claim Wednesdays. Yeah, this one was an extremely unique one.
Right.
Just the fact that what the insurance company was proposing for the method of repair didn't make any sense. So
Yeah.
just the basics on this. Unfortunately, it was a fire claim at a commercial building. One of the units was heavily affected by this. I believe it was a restaurant. And so, long story short, in order to bring this up to code, basically they were doing kind of a patch job on the roof because when the fire kind of seeped up there, which
Yeah.
is whatever. Um, Now, when you are introducing the roof, it also needs to be brought up to code. So their solution of bringing up to code was we're going to add insulation below the metal decking in order to achieve that value of what it needed to be. But guess what? The
But
owner the owner didn't want that.
right. Well, and within that, what they were trying to do is exactly what you were talking about was replace only part of the roof, which was a uniform system all the way across in
Mm-hmm.
one contiguous area. They just wanted to replace one portion of the roof. And instead of making the roof go like this to meet the requirements of the insulation, they
Mm-hmm.
wanted to keep the insulation the same on the top and put the insulation below. But like Chris was just about to say, the landlord, it wasn't like that before. And the specific tenant that wanted to come in there after the fire and they're redoing the property, they wanted to have an open ceiling concept because they wanted to look industrial and kind of open and bigger. And what the insurance company was suggesting was bringing the bat insulation internally below the decking to then create that insulation that would meet the full requirement now that the city required for code enforcement.